Basically, we are trying to do regular subcommittee meetings as well, because it's very important for the subcommittee also to have to be aware of what all reforms are required and to give their suggestions as well. Because when a subcommittee, a lot of people reach out to subcommittee members also to take up the latest information as to what is happening in the council, as well as if anything which requires subcommittee's intervention also. So that all we discuss. So quite a few reforms regarding the service rules. So there are a couple of departments for which the service rules are being finalized. The conduct and disciplinary rules are also being finalized. They should be notified any day now. The conduct and disciplinary rules as well. So a lot of work is going on to make sure that a lot of processes are streamlined in council as well. And we'll be planning a lot of trainings also on these new rules as well, so that all the employees are also fully aware and can follow it also. Because along with having the rules, of course, it's very important to enforce the rules also. So we are trying to also work on a lot of things to improve the revenue of the council. We are already working on professional tax, how to streamline it, and to make sure that it is collected in a more systematic way, so that these revenues improve. So that is also another thing, along with the discipline in the rules. The increase in the revenue is also something that in council work is being tried. So quite a few things. Yes, yes. In fact, we are making sure, as was told previously also, we are making sure that by first of every month, this is the salary is released. Obviously, the salary for the month of December was released before Christmas holidays itself, as was told before. And for the month of January also, the salary was released on 1st February itself. Although 1st February was a Sunday, still the bank, we sent to the bank on time, and the bank also managed to release it on the same day itself. So that system is already there, as was told, and by first October we are releasing salary for all the employees. So state is gradually releasing those also. So initially this 12 months backlog was released, and before Christmas holidays again, 2 months salary was again released. So obviously it's a burden on the state as well. So but slowly, as promised also, the state is releasing all the backlog salaries as well for the previous months also. So 2 months salary was already released in December, and again some decision will be taken to release further salaries of backlogs. We'll be sending up some more proposal for clearing more backlog salaries. So that is a decision that the state will make. But already the state has conveyed, and our honorable chief minister also has already directed the departments also that all this backlog has to be released, as was told to the people also. So I'm very sure that just in coming weeks, or and again in some time, some more backlog salary will be able to be released. Thanks.